In today's video, I'm going to share how I make bulk of sales just using evergreen niches, and I will also show you the proof as well. So what's up guys, this is me which I have been print on demand business more than a year, and I'm here making print on demand content just for you guys in order to motivate you and give you guys the right tips and tricks. So guys, keep supporting me as you are supporting and implementing my tricks. Some of you guys are getting sales just because of my tips and tricks. So guys, keep implementing my tricks and you will getting more and more sales. Before starting, I just want to say that guys, like, comment and subscribe is very important, and subscribe more as it is very appreciated. So let's get start the video. Before starting the main thing, I want to show you guys, here we are on my sales history, and from here I can show you guys that I have made 100 quantities sold, and these are the stickers, and most likely these are the sticker packs. And here you can see this is an evergreen niche which is on the profession, as I told again and again to you guys that make designs on profession, as these profession designs sell very well, and these are all the evergreen niches. So here you can see with your own eyes, I am revealing this for you guys. I have sold ingenious sticker packs, and this is it, and I have made around about $110 on it. And let me show you again and again. Here you can see that I have again earned 50 stickers, and I have earned like about $55, and I sold 50 stickers on engineering sticker packs. And here you can see this is the same again profession, and most of my sales are about the professions, or such type of niches are very important. And as you can see, and I also stated in my previous videos as well, that engineer, nurse, doctor and such type of major professions are very important for Redbubble, and people buy things from you in a bulk. And as I showed you here, that I have earned all the amount in bulk orders. One time I sold 50 sticker packs, and the second time I have sold 100 stickers. So guys, here you can see with your own eyes. Now I will tell you guys how I managed to make such type of designs just using Canva and made sales in the bulk. Moreover guys, I want to share here one more thing, that soon I'm going to give away free paid canvas to my audience, to my subscriber. So once I reach to the subscriber amount of 500, as I am on the 352, I will give away free paid canvas. So guys, take me to the 500 subscriber and I will surely do giveaway. And once I reach the 1000 subscriber, I will tell you guys the secret. You can get paid canvas for free. So guys, here we are on my canvas screen, and from here you can see that I have a paid canvas, and I will tell you soon how to get paid canvas. From here you can select create design, and from select here custom size, and select this amount dimension 45,500 by 54,000 by 400 pixel, and it is on pixels. Select this one, and it is creating the canvas. And from here go to the elements and search here engineer, or you can type any type of profession here, nurse, doctor, and here I have typed engineer. And here you can see, go to the graphics, and from graphics you can get the vectors. As you have seen that I have made sale on sticker packs, so you can select different element from here. Yes, it is very safe to use such type of element. Just amend these elements, so everybody is using such type of elements, so it will not be same just like you. So just change or shuffle some things. You just need some more modification in these elements. And from here you can see I am making a sticker pack. I have just made this simple sticker packs using simple elements. And from here you can see this is not a tough thing, this is very easy. And one of the you guys will see, and you will definitely say that this is fake, this is wrong. I will definitely assure you that you will soon get the sale through it. And from here I have selected 5 elements, which means 5 design, and from here you can resize them as well. And these are very amazing type of elements, and these will definitely get you a sale, because the customer will definitely fall for your design, as he get to know that you are providing more number of stickers in the same price. So this is their value to money, and this is a logical thing. Everyone goes for the thing that is cheap or which is value to their money. And from here you can see I have made the design. You also have to make sure one thing, that all these designs or the elements are spaced enough that they will not cojoin, they will not mix together and cojoin in one sticker pack. This is not liked by the customer. Customers want a sticker pack, each sticker will be they want to be different, so don't do this. Keep this thing in your mind that place some type of distance between each of the elements, so this is very suitable. And from here you can give it any name, and here from you can download, and from downloading you can go to the which it will take the design to the 9000 by 10800 pixels, and this is very recommended. And from here go to the transparent background and download. Here this is the design which is ready, and you can post it on the Redbubble just using the simple tags related to the professions, related to the profession engineer. You can use anything related to the engineering or the engineer. You can also make funny quotes related to them, as this niche is a evergreen niche, and evergreen niche make you fortunes. So guys, also make designs on evergreen niches as well. Tell you guys about the trending topics as well, as all of you or many of you guys want to make more sales. Trending designs get a lot of traffic to your sales, and evergreen designs get you sales in bulk. So this is a great combination, and you will get more and more sales, and I wish and I believe that all of you guys can get more and more sales. So this is it guys from my side. If you have any query related to Redbubble, you are feel free to text me or DM me on my Instagram, and the link of Instagram in the description below. And if you want to review your shop, you can also send me in the DM section as well. So guys, keep supporting me in this way, and thanks to all the people who are watching till this end, and I like you guys and I love you guys. Keep supporting me in this way, make me to the 500 subscribers. So this is it guys from my side. Have a nice day. Cheers.